I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Turn the third eye towards the sky. Keep the palms open around your throat. I'm going to ask you to tone 9 times. On the last 3 tones, start to bring your hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart and hold them there as your last 9th tone dies out, letting the flowers come to you, letting them come into your consciousness. Om. 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 Hands slowly moving together. Om. Beginning to touch. Om. Folding into prayer pose. Om. Beloveds, you are my children. I am the reflection of your compassionate nature. Beloveds, I am your mother, your sister. I am your daughter. I am the vibration of the divine feminine, swimming through your being, flowing through your being, activating within your being. I am Quan Yin. I am delighted to be with you. I am Quan Yin. Drawing the energy in. I am Quan Yin. And as you draw the energy into your bodies, opening the palms, breathing in, open them once again. Place the palms, heels of the hands together, and rest the chin, the thumbs along the side of the jaw, coming into the back. And let your head be held like this for a moment. Like the bud of a rose begins to open and it holds the blossom. Your consciousness is blossoming now. I am Quan Yin. You are divine in your nature. Accept it and treat yourself thus.